Stamped brass, injection molded nylon, polycarbonate. SPDT circuit. 15 amps. 12 volts. Stamped brass, injection molded nylon, polycarbonate, SPDT. 3/8 by 1/2. 15 amps. 12 volts. Light tip toggle switches light up white in the off position and red in the on position. Sea-Dog Line is a third-generation family company with a history of satisfied customers stretching back to the company's start in 1933. The company is the recipient of multiple industry awards for quality and efficiency. Top reviews from the United States. Nice solid switch. The different positions feels good when clicked into place. The light on the tip isn't overly bright, which I really like. Friend has one that completely illuminates the inside of his pickup when switched on. It is enough to see that the switch is on, but doesn't blind you.